is Anastasia Chimuto. I have 17 years old. I learn at Natola Community Secondary School. This is my house. I live in two sisters and young brother. My favorite subjects are social studies, mathematics, geography, and English. When I grow up, I want to be a lawyer. Because this job is very important.
And what form will you be starting in September?
Yes, when I start in September, I go to Form 3.
Which is her junior year of high school. Florence, can you tell us about yourself? How old are you?
Hello, my name is Florence Chimuto. I have 14 years old. This is my home. This is our home. I go to Danila Flu Primary School. I write examination of standard 8. My favorite subject is mathematics because I want to be an accountant.
Good. And what are your...
In September, I started in Form 1.
Okay, so you start high school in September?
Yes.
And what are your hobbies? What do you enjoy doing?
Your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing netball, singing and dressing, reading Bible, and chatting with others.
And what about you, Anastasia?
Okay. My
hobbies.
My hobbies are singing and chatting. Timawanga ulagalaga uragalowa mufumu wanu ugakale mulemelelo umene mbuye munalonjeza chindiwosha ndigali kudziko kumene woyipa aliko nkuno omwe usafuna moyo wanga uragalowe mufumu wanu mbuye ine mundisandule kari moyo wanga kuti ndikale wanu ndilimikile jonadi.
Can you share a little bit about your story and your life with us?
Pano pakhomo timakhala rokha.
We live alone.
Pomukhala kotoka kusuri ni nthawi iliyonse.
When we are alone, it doesn't mean we live alone forever.
Ina timakhala ni makolo.
Other times we live with our parents.
Nthawi ino marogambana.
When they are in conflict,
omama omapita kwawo ndeuto baba omapita kwa kazi.
Our mother goes to her home and the father goes to his home again.
Modzi pamene talemba standard 8.
The same when we was in standard 8.
Tidakhala nomaya tangu.
We were living with our stepmother.
Koma nakhale timimba sukulu.
Although we were at school,
timanguimbira ovulira.
We were playing with many struggles.
Other
times they were saying bad things about us. When we were writing exams, we were all with struggles. We were not reading.
Amaruga maeso tidaliliroka tano omea tena orabira kwa.
When the exams were out, we were alone.
Nde pamene Form 1
when I was in Form 1, they came back.
Nde Form 2 tidalika iyamba.
In Form 2 when we started,
omea todadzajwala kwambiri.
The mother went sick.
Odajwala matenda ya sugar.
They suffered from sugar disease.
Ndodangurajila.
When she got well,
she
went home
because
of conflicts.
Ndeva no maso satura limbali nditoka.
We have written exams of JCU alone.
Koma bevulo lilipo.
Although problems are there,
Chifukwa choti anthu amudzi muno
because of people of this village,
omatoka kumana no baba
when they meet with our father,
omajeni omanena mabodzi zoti ife bachimangopititsa kumanya.
they lie.
Te kufikira kwa dzulo tagona ndi njala mpaka na panova.
Yesterday we have slept with hungry.
Arina mizezo oti tabachimanga lipititsa kwa makolo athu.
They have said bad things about that we have stolen maize to our mother.
Choti timatikaseza madzi upita nokoma yathu.
Because when we take water to our mother,
Omatikaseza karundu upita neko.
we have taken things to our mother.
Ndedzulo linatsazika kuti tizipita.
Yesterday we said we are going.
Nde odachita motiletsa kuti musambopita.
They stopped us.
Nde pano pachimanga pali pano parafuna ndeke tozilira nako kwe.
At this time we have found the maize and we don't know what they are going to say about us.
Basi. No balezi Malawi.
At this time, Rise Malawi,
Omatithandiza ngati tilipira fees.
they are helping us on paying fees.
Komanso chilichonse chiloleka dandaulo matipatsa.
For everything that we have complained, they give us.
Ngati takadandaula kuti kusukulu arumaze chakuli arumazina zake.
All about the schools, they help us.
Omatithandiza ndithu.